Hi, my name is Kwan. I'm the marketing manager here at EMCA USA. I'd like to demonstrate how to properly install a vulcanized gasket frame onto your cabinet frame, and also will highlight some of the benefits by doing so. One of a gasket's main function is to create a tight seal. That seal will help to protect the inside contents of your cabinet. This is done by preventing any water, dust, dirt from seeping in from the cabinet frame into your cabinet. EMCA believes that a protected cabinet will have a gasket on the top, the bottom, the sides, and the corners as well. With the vulcanized gasket frame, the corners are protected. But as you can see from here, I will only just install just a part of it. The corners are not protected, and sometimes if the gasket is not cut to the correct length, it'll leave you with a large gap. So let me start by demonstrating this for you. So here's my frame, and here's my vulcanized gasket frame. It's a simple process, quick installation. You want to start at the four corners. You want to press down firmly, but gently. There is no need for a rubber mallet or a hammer. We make these to spec with the measurements that you provide us. So once you get the four corners down, you sort of just want to work your way towards the center, one side at a time. Vulcanizing gaskets will help to reduce your labor costs, will minimize, maybe eliminate installation errors, and it will increase your overall production. So if you'd like to learn more, please give us a call at the number below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much. Have a great day and stay safe.